Hello, I am Stuart. Before we start, we want to share that this video uses AI for graphics and voice, but all the information is manually researched by our team. Here in the video, we will share the details for the Pokémon TCG Pocket error, code 10301105403. As per our research, this error occurs when players try to log into Pokémon TCG Pocket. Some users also have reported seeing this error while using a VPN to access the game, while others have encountered it without a VPN. According to our research, the error seems to be related to VPN stability or regional restrictions. Now let's come to fixes for the error. The first thing you can try is to simply press OK and retry logging in multiple times. Some users have reported that after several attempts, they were able to access the game. If the error doesn't resolve upon retrying and you are using a VPN, then check if it is correctly connected to the right location. Sometimes VPNs do not properly route connections, causing login issues. You can verify your location by checking your IP online or checking under the VPN. Additionally, if your VPN supports different protocols, try switching from WireGuard to OpenVPN, as some users have reported. This helped them bypass the error. If the error still comes, then it is possible that the issue is related to your VPN. You try switching to a different VPN, such as TunnelBear VPN or NordVPN. Some users have successfully resolved the issue by using another VPN. If you're getting the error on TunnelBear VPN, then follow these steps. Simply turn off Wi-Fi in Apple settings. Then delete Pokémon TCG Pocket from your device. Then restart your phone. Then open TunnelBear VPN, connect to New Zealand without turning on Wi-Fi yet, and browse the web for a bit. Ensure that your Apple ID is set to the New Zealand account. Download the game again and start the installation. Once the game starts downloading, turn Wi-Fi back on to speed up the process. Thanks for watching. This is all we have for the error. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. See you in the next one.